Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to learn the difference between throw and throws keyword and how we can use these keyword together. So let's begin and create a class. The class name is throws example. Creating a class here. So here I am creating one more class, Java is limit. We can say water class here, and here I just create a age. Okay, and I create a method get age, or we can say get check age. We can create a method check age. Here just we have the age also, so no need to declare here the age variable, just we are passing in a method, and here we are checking if the age is less than 18, then it will throw the exception, and else it will display that you can what okay. Now I throw exception. Remember that throw, THROW, throw exception. Exception is the root class. So here I'm passing age is less than 18. That is the exception which I am firing here. You see what is saying? It's saying the exception is undefined. So here I'm just firing the exception. Throw new exception handle. You see it's saying, you see that throw new exception, that is the class exception, and I'm firing an exception here. So throw means just throwing the exception as per the condition is given. So I'm giving here a condition that if age is less than 18, then the exception should fire. So throw keyword is used to fire an exception, but here is the error. It's saying that it should be declare throws. That means this method here I should use throws keyword, and I tell to the compiler that this function will throw an exception. Exception is the name of the class. This exception will be fired by the checkage method. So what is the difference between throw and throws? Throw keyword is used to fire an exception, and throws keyword used to tell the compiler that the checkage method have the exception called this exception, and whenever you call the checkage exception, then Java compiler should generate error like this I am showing here. So water v1 new water and v1 dot check age, and here I pass suppose 45 as the age, and you see it's saying error. Why? It's saying that this method should be comes under the try and catch, otherwise you have to put here the throws keyword. If I put here throws keyword and tell the exception here like this, so error is gone. Why? Because this throws keyword telling to the compiler that this main having a exception, this exception, so handle this exception by the compiler. So now the compiler automatically will handle the exception. You see, handle. But if I say less than 18, error. If I put the age and run again, so it will also throw the error like this, age is less than 18. So this is not the good way to throw the error. So what we do, we should avoid this throws here, and we put this under the try and catch to handle the exception. So automatically this come under the exception, and here you see E is here. So I can use the default method print stack trace to display the exception like this. Otherwise I can put my own user defined exceptions. Sys out, I can put here E. So it will display the message which I given like this. The age is less than the 18, and this is the exception java.len.exception. So remember that throw keyword is used to throw the user defined exceptions, and this throws is tell the compiler that whenever you call this method will throw the exception. Okay, exception of the exception class. So when I try to use this here, so automatically compiler identify that this method signature is wrong, because in this signature exception will fire. So that's why this method should be called under try catch. So this is the difference between throw and throws keyword that we learn in this video. That's all in this video now.